Hello and welcome back friends to my pregnancy wellness series. In this video we are going to focus on the exercises for the full body strengthening. So let's begin.
First exercise, reverse tabletop. In sitting position, bend your knees placing feet flat on the floor and place hands behind the hips. Lift your hips towards the ceiling while pressing hands and feet to the ground and forming a reverse tabletop position. Keep your chest lifted and open and engage your core muscles to support your lower back. Hold the pose for a few breaths and then gently lower your knees, bringing the full body weight to the front. Hold for a few seconds and lift the body back to reverse tabletop position. We will be doing 10 sets of this. Let's begin. 1. Come to reverse tabletop position. Hold for a few seconds. Now come down. 2. Hold in reverse tabletop position. Now come down. 3. Go up. Hold. And come down. 4. Go up. Hold. And come down. 5. This pose focuses on strengthening and opening the upper body, including the arms, shoulders, chest, and wrists. 6. It engages the core muscles, including the abdominals and obliques, which can help support the growing uterus and alleviate lower back pain. Keep doing. 7. It also improves circulation throughout the body, promoting blood flow to the heart and reducing swelling in the feet and ankles. 8. Hold and come down. 9. Go up, hold, and bring your body weight to the front. Keep doing, ladies, we are doing great. Last one, 10. Go up, hold, and bring your body weight to the down and relax. Let's do deep breathing for 2 minutes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Next exercise, butterfly pose. In sitting position, bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold on to your feet with your hands, or you could place your hand along the sides. Gently press your knees towards the floor using the strength of your outer thigh muscles and hold for few seconds. Now lift the knees up, forming a butterfly movement. Let's do butterfly pose for 90 seconds. Butterfly pose primarily focuses on stretching and opening the hips, groin and inner thighs, making it an excellent way to release tension and discomfort in these areas during pregnancy. Additionally, it can help prepare the body for childbirth by promoting flexibility and optimal pelvic alignment. Holding butterfly pose allows the body to relax and release tension, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation, which is beneficial for both mom and the baby. It's highly recommended to practice butterfly pose daily, at least for a minute. Almost there. 15 more seconds to go. Relax. Let's do deep breathing for a minute. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Next exercise, warrior pose 2. Stand with feet hip width apart and arms relaxed at hips. Step your left foot back, keeping your feet parallel to each other and turned out at a 45-degree angle. Now bend your right knee, ensuring that it aligns directly over your ankle, and your left leg should be straight and strong, with the heel pressing firmly into the ground. Let's do 10 sets of this both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's switch side to the other side. 1, 2, 3. This exercise strengthens the legs opens the hips and promotes overall well-being, providing stability and support as the body changes during pregnancy. 4, 5, 6, 7. It also encourages circulation throughout the body. 9, and last one, 10. Relax. Let's do deep breathing for 2 minutes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Next exercise, kneeling alternate hand and leg raise. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping them parallel to the floor and in line with your body. Maintain a straight line from your fingertips to your toes, avoiding any arcing or rounding of the back. Hold this position for a few seconds. Now slowly lower your arm and leg back to the starting position. Repeat the movement on the opposite side, extending your left arm forward and your right leg back. Let's do 10 sets of this both sides. 1. Hold for few seconds. Switch side. 2. Hold. Switch side. Hold. 3. Hold. Switch side. Hold. 4. Hold. Switch side. Hold. 5. Hold. Switch side. Hold. This exercise primarily targets the core muscles, including the abdominals, obliques,
6.
and lower back.
Hold.
Switch side. Hold. Seven. Hold. Engaging core muscles activates the pelvic floor muscles. Switch side. Hold. 8. Hold. Switch side. Hold. As this exercise engages the muscles of the hips, shoulders and glutes, it is
9.
a beneficial full body strengthening
Hold.
exercise during pregnancy.
Switch side. Hold. Last one to go. 10. And hold. Switch side. Hold. And relax.
Let's do deep breathing for 2 minutes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out.
Thank you guys for practicing along with me. Remember to breathe normally throughout the exercise. That's the key. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.
Have a healthy pregnancy journey, ladies. Stay tuned for my next videos. Subscribe, like, and comment.